Well, what's going on, guys? Sorry about my absence lately. Been getting some stuff dialed in, getting my office dialed in, getting it ready for 2019. Got some new stuff I'm working on, and overall, just kind of wrapping up 2018. Trying to enjoy these last couple of weeks of 2018, having a little bit of fun, going fishing, and really just trying to enjoy life right now. But this morning ended up getting a short on AGEN. I'm going to show you that here in a second. I wasn't able to record it live just because I'm still just dialing in everything. You can see my screen's behind me. I don't have a camera set up. I don't really have anything dialed in just yet. I'm getting everything ready. It should be ready to go January 1st. So if you're missing the daily videos, don't worry. They're coming back January 1st. But right now, just getting everything all dialed in. And like I said, it's going into the holidays, Christmas, the New Year, and just trying to enjoy life. I'm actually heading to New York City on Friday. Well, tomorrow, I'm heading to New York City for Christmas, taking the lady up there to New York, and I enjoy Christmas in a little bit colder weather. It's hot. I think it's like 80 degrees today here in Florida. So we're going to go enjoy Christmas in the big city. And let's check out this trade here. I'll break it down. This overall, just crazy stock this morning, going up over almost 100% and then pulling back and looking for that short opportunity. Gonna break it down here. Let's go. So you can see my trade here on AGEN this morning. AGEN. It was up over 70%, 80% at one point here. You can see this big, massive move. This is a 5-minute chart. This popped up as big candle, got 57,000 shares traded. Pops up here to a high of $3.74. I saw it this morning and I was keeping an eye on it and basically just kind of watching to see what it was going to do. And you can see it got stuck there at the 370s. And once I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm going to look to see if we get a breakdown of this overall trend, which we ended up getting. So kind of looking to see what happens here, was looking for this to break to the upside. If it was bullish, looking for that break to the upside. Can't really see it there. All right, there you go. Now you should be it. Okay, now you can see it better. You can see how you got this big drastic move to the upside here. We're thinking this is going to break here over 370, try to make a new high, which it didn't end up doing, and it ended up pulling down. So once it started to pull back down, I ended up getting short here on this candle there at the 358, and was looking for that pullback down there to the support area, looking for this to pull back down there to the EMAs, which it ended up doing, getting filled there at 330, and then held on to the rest to see if we can go lower. And then we push back up into this resistance one more time. I was actually looking to go short here again at 350. You can kind of see how this was getting stuck there, 345, 350 area. I was looking to add some more shares to short. Now, what's also interesting about this move here is look at the volume on these big drops. So every time we broke down the trend, we got the big spike in volume. So here on this candle, we got 57,000 shares traded once we broke down. So you can see the seller stepping in there. The overall market right now going lower, as well as SPY dropping through that 250 support. Wow, the overall market's getting crushed right now. So I was really just playing into that idea this morning, seeing the spike in the selling volume there. Once I saw that spike, I was like, okay, I'm going to go short. Ended up shorting into 355 there. Got that pullback. And here was looking to short one more time. Just did not get that push. Was looking to get filled there at 350. And you can see the high on this candle is 348. The volume started to come in there. As that volume came in, there was that drop again. So we dropped from 348 down here to 320 and was bouncing around 320, kind of bouncing back up there. I'm not sure. This isn't actually real prints. I think this is older prints that was just showing up on the tape. I'm not sure why it's that candle's looking like that, but it's not really. That wasn't real price action there. And that was kind of some old orders printing on the tape there at 8. So this morning, AGEN getting short, taking some profit. Now, is that to say the stock can't go higher later on? No, that's not to say that. But if you look at the 5-minute chart here, what do you see? 5-minute chart from $2 up there to $3.70, almost 100% move with no real pullback. Nothing but green, green, green. And if I'm sitting here thinking about buying, what am I thinking? Am I going to be buying up here, going long at the 370 area? No, I'm not. So once I saw that was just how overextended this was on the 5-minute chart, everything about this was like, okay, it's time to short because I'm expecting some type of pullback. Naturally the stock is going to pull back. Naturally these stocks pull back. They move in waves. So looking at this was like, okay, this is looking really overextended here, really, really overextended. So I'm going to look to go short. And that's exactly what we did. I ended up shorting into the idea that this is really overextended to the upside. And we're thinking this is going to pull back, which it ended up doing, pulling back down there to the 320. So trying to find a little bit of support there at the 320 area right now. We'll see if it's going to break to the upside up from there, but I'm going to be done for the day. I'm going to wrap this video up. Just taking a quick trade here on AGEN this morning and breaking it down for you guys, showing kind of my overall thought process here. As I saw this was really overextended, what am I thinking? You know, I'm not going to be buying long up here. I'm thinking about selling short up here and trying to cover lower down there, and that's what we got. We got the nice little move. You can see my profit here, making $746 just by playing into the idea that stocks move in waves. The stock is very overextended. The stock is really overextended. We're thinking this is going to pull back, and that's what we got. Actually, you know, it would have been even beautiful. It would have been a better short, getting short up here at 370 area, kind of seeing that top there. But I'm not going to complain. I'm going to take it kind of what it is there, and I'd be happy with that. You can see multiple times getting stuck there at the 370 area. So shorting up here would have been nice, but really I was just kind of waiting to see if we can get that breakdown and then waiting for some volume to fill in there. And then once I saw that selling volume fill in there, I'm thinking that there's also going to be other shorts with that kind of same game plan adding on to that selling pressure. And that's exactly what we got down there to 320 now. Every time we got that big sell-off, we got a spike in volume, and that's what we want to see. So you can see 4,000 shares on this candle, and then bam, 47,000 shares on this candle, pushing it lower. And looks like it wants to go lower from here as well. So overall, just really simple. Big overextended the move to the upside, and we're thinking, okay, this is really overextended to the upside. What am I going to be thinking about doing here? If I'm thinking about not going long, I'm thinking this is going to pull back either way, well, then I might look for an opportunity to go short. This is not rocket science. That's one thing I like about this type of setup is when a stock is really, really overextended, and you know, I wouldn't be buying anyway. If I wouldn't be buying up here, well, I might as well be selling up here, and that's what we did. Locking in some profit this morning. So breaking it down for you guys. Sorry, my computer is not all dialed in just yet. Wasn't able to record this all live, but we'll get this dialed in, get it all ready to go when we come back from the holidays, and I'll talk to you guys later on.